I just got this keyboard, so let's unbox it together. Pull it out. Seems like it's packaged in this nice box. Okay, so some instructions. Got the keyboard that's wrapped nicely. There you hear the keys clicking away. Right. Here's the keyboard. One sec, let me hold it up for you. So here it is, nice big keys, so that's really cool. On the back, there are these little feet that pop up, which is really cool. So you can have it sitting up like this. It has a USB cable. It's not USB-C, so if you're running a Mac, you'll need a adapter. This keyboard has a really nice RGB lighting setup. So you have the green up here, you have a light blue, a purple, a pink, and then orange, and then red at the bottom. It is set up for PC. You have like a Windows key down here. You have like print, scroll, print lock, things like that. So you could technically use it with a Mac, but it's really based more for PC. So the nice thing is, you know, I work at this desk here with the computer, and if I don't want to have to like reach out and be right on the computer, I can just have the keyboard right in front of me and type away. And it's super helpful for that reason. Plus, the nice thing with these keys is because they have such a nice pop to them as you type, they're just like, they feel really good. They're also nice and large, so you have plenty of spacing for your fingers. So if you're looking for a cool keyboard like this, I suggest you check it out.